These tasty Asian chicken meatballs are easy to make, and you can eat them as a snack, in a sandwich, or put them in a soup or a stir fry. I'm Tess, and I'll show you how to make these easy and yummy Asian chicken meatballs. I'm going to mix everything in my food processor. I have 1 pound of ground chicken, and I'm adding in 1 large egg white, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 chopped green onions, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, a half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, and a half a tablespoon of sesame oil. These are all prominent flavors, and all combined really make a tasty Asian bite. I'm pulsing a couple times and then processing for about a minute. You may need to scrape down the sides and pulse again to get everything well incorporated. I'm putting this in a lidded container and refrigerating for a good 2 to 4 hours, and overnight is even better. I'm making the meatballs about a quarter size. You can make them as small or as big as you like. You will just need to adjust your cooking time. These are also good for freezing for future use. These meatballs are going into a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this Asian chicken meatballs below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. And here they are right out of the oven. They smell so good. These Asian chicken meatballs are great as a snack with dipping sauce. I use them in soups and stir fries. They are so easy to make and convenient for that Asian burst of flavor. I hope you give these Asian chicken meatballs a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!